St. Philip's College. This is my last semester. I graduated in May.
How many hours are you taking a semester?
I think it was like 17 hours, 16 or 17 hours semester. This semester is my last class, so I only have like one or 2 hours.
Well, you need to provide proof to probation that you're at college.
But I've given my probation officer my college classes, my actual schedule. I've given her what time I'm home. I leave her messages when I go to community service. And it's still like when they come, they don't leave. They haven't left. The first time he came, he caught me in the truck. He told me if he comes, he's going to leave a card. And he hasn't left a card every time he's come. Right. And then that's why my probation officer, me and my probation officer, I got upset because she's like, oh, now you have to go do a notary letter. And I'm like, I don't have time for that right now. I have a kid that I take care of by myself. I go to school. Like, just because he didn't catch me here, I don't have time to go do like that paperwork. All
right. So here's the thing. You're going to have to do paperwork.
I don't have time.
That's part of your probation.
I don't have time.
If you go to prison, will you have time to do it?
It's a misdemeanor charge, ma'am.
Well, if you go to the Bexar County Jail, will you have time to do it?
No.
Got it!
So there you go.
This is going to be the same thing. So
so you'll be at the Bexar County Jail. So that means that you need to follow through with conditions of probation. There are consequences for action. You're on probation for deadly conduct, right? So no, stop.
Shut the fuck up!
You're on probation. People want their lives to be the same as though they were not on probation. And you know what? If you didn't have a deadly conduct charge, you could go live your life however you want to live it, but you do. And you're on probation in this court. So what that means is, number one, you're not going to be upset and angry with the probation officer because the probation officer is doing their job. And guess what? Their job really doesn't rotate around your schedule. If they're doing a field visit at a certain time, you need to be there for that field visit. End of story.
I'm not on any kind of curfew or anything. So why do I got to stay home all day? I mean, I go to school. That makes no sense. If I have a timing for school, why do I got to be at home when I'm supposed to be at school?
Because you're on probation.
But I don't have a curfew. What I'm telling you
is when they do a field visit, you need to be at the house for that field visit. End of story. I'm not having an argument with you. I'm telling you, these are the rules. That's where we are. When crimes are committed, there are consequences for that. Your consequence is that you're on probation. And when you're on probation, there are conditions of probation that I set, and I expect people to follow them. Probation is not going to be able to come to your house around your schedule necessarily. End of story. Is there anything else that he needs?
No, Your Honor. I just wanted to answer your question as far as the field visits. You did mandate 2 times a month.
Yes.
So that's what's happening.
Yes, that's what I want. I'm sorry, what was that?
I said I still won't be there if I have school.
Oh, well then a motion to revoke will be filed.
That's for me.
Well, I'm glad.